Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage with settings from the left side, so let's tap on it to open them. And here we have to pick Smart Suggestions to find scan QR codes at the second position, so now by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. We have to remember only to scan them in the standard photo mode by using rear camera, so of course we have to stay here with back camera to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.